Hello everyone, ZowieTech has developed a video encoding and decoding product under the Linux system, the ZowieBox. It can push and pull streams. This video will teach you how to directly manage your YouTube live broadcast by using the ZowieBox. First, you should type your IP address of your ZowieBox in a browser and search for it. Then you should input your account name, admin, and your password, admin. Then log in. Here you can see the live preview video and go to the setting page, streaming, live. To push video to YouTube, you should add a live stream first. And here you should choose the YouTube service and set your live stream name, for example, YouTube. And even you can write some description here. Then click the black box to get the YouTube login address. Just wait for a moment. Now you should click the blue link. Then go to the ZowieBox interface and click it. It will be copied and paste it in here. Continue. Choose your YouTube account. It reminds you that it is not safe, so you should allow it to get data. Allow it. Now successfully connected. Now you should create your first live stream. Here you can set your title, for example, YouTube test. Description, test. And I choose the visibility here, private. This is the start time. And just choose the default stream key and confirm. Now you should choose the live URL. For example, I choose stream URL at MP. Then save. Click it. You can see all the details here. You can even add it or delete it forever. And click this box, go live. It will lead you to your YouTube account. Just wait for a moment. Here you can see the default stream key, RTMP. And here you can manage your live stream. For example, the YouTube test you created before. And that's all. Hope you will like this video. Thank you.